Well, hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with yet another video, and today I come with another unboxing of the YEEZY 350, this time in the Caarbon Beluga colorway. I went with my true to size, which is, as you can see here, a size 12 or 46 2/3 European, which is my true to size, and we're gonna spend a little bit about the sizing and everything, and I'll give you an idea how I do it and some recommendations. Stay tuned. So the box has a standard 350 on the top, a pull out here, and let me just see if I can not destroy the box. All right, here we go. So, the Caarbon Belugas. They look very nice, guys, I'll be honest with you. I have prepared for comparison your standard Belugas. Standard or not so standard, these ones are actually the Beluga Reflective from my personal collection in the same size. Here's a little bit of a comparison on the colorways. As you can see, these ones are darker. Which ones do you prefer? Let me know down in the comment box. So this is your standard Beluga colorway, although this one is reflective from a previous drop. And this is the new Caarbon colorway. As for the stripes, I believe they are identical in color. I don't see really any difference. Maybe this one on the reflective a little bit brighter if I look from very close up. I don't know, you tell me. But I do believe this one is just a tad brighter than this one. But this could also be because the background, obviously, on which the stripe is printed on is darker on the Caarbon Belugas than on the other ones. So, in my honest opinion, I do prefer this colorway. Another difference obviously is these ones are darker inside here. As for the first Belugas, they are a light gray color interior to match the outside of the shoe. And this one is much darker to match also the outside of the Caarbon Beluga size, colorway. Personally, I like these ones more. I don't know, I just like the darker color more. Plus, I believe this striping comes out even more pronounced on this shoe. There is a very nice, I don't know how much this is visible on the camera, speckling of the orange coming through the prime knit on this shoe. It is the case also with the other ones, although the Caarbon ones, this is even more pronounced, as this prime knit is obviously light gray. And also the bottom of this original Beluga, the reflective Beluga, is in a different color, more light gray, I would say, while this one is very dark gray, brownish on the Caarbon to match the top of the shoe, which kind of makes sense. Now for the sizing, yes, go up half a size or be prepared to suffer a little bit or do what I do. Me, I went once with a size 13, which was 47 1/3 versus the 46 2/3 size 12, and I realized that that shoe, even with an insole, is too big for me. So how I wear my 350s is I always just take out the insole and then they fit me okay. After first wear, they become quite comfortable and I'm okay with that. As for going up to size 13, they were just massive, okay? So I didn't like that at all. So if you have any questions on this particular pair, do let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer to your questions. I check my comment box quite regularly, so I'll come back and do let you know. I have another pair, which is the 350 Compact Panda, coming, I believe, tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video coming up. For now, thank you very much for watching the video, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.